Hello students, in today's class we'll see exercise 7.1 questions 1 to 6. Question 1.
How many three-digit numbers can be formed from the digits 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5? So it's a three-digit number. You're going to form a three-digit number. First there are 5 digits given. You can use either 1 or you can choose 2 or 3, 4 and 5. So the first place, because there is no 0, I can use even the hundreds place. If there is 0, I cannot use 0 here, because if I use 0, it will become a 2-digit number. So I can use either 1 or I can use 2, 3, 4 or 5. I can choose one of these. So how many ways are there? I can choose one of these numbers. There are 5 ways, isn't it? There are 5 ways of filling this place, the hundreds place. There are 5 ways. Now repetition is allowed. That means first is repetition allowed. Repetition allowed means I can choose the same number again. Right? So I can write 1 again, then 2, 3, 4, 5. So second, this is the units place, this is the tens place, this is the hundreds place. So tens place, in how many ways can you fill up? How many possibilities are there? 5, correct? Tens place also 5. Now come to the units place. Again repetition is allowed. That means I can use again this one. So how many ways are there? 5. So listen once again. 3-digit number can be formed with the digits 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. This place can be filled in 5 ways. The tens place also 5 because the repetition is allowed. And the units place is also 5. So you just use the multiplication principle here. So the first case is repetition allowed. What you should do here? Total number of ways, multiply. So just multiply 5 into 5, that is 125. So there are 125 numbers you can form. Now case 2, repetition is not allowed. If repetition is not allowed, this is units, tens and hundreds. So hundreds place you can fill in using one of these, or you can start from the units place. So I can use 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So there are 5 ways. Now once I use the number 1, I cannot use number 1 again. So how many ways are there now? I have to use only these numbers 2, 3, 4 and 5. If I use number 2, I cannot use number 2 again. I can use the remaining 4 numbers. So how many ways are there? 4 ways. Hundreds place you have 5, 4. Now the units place, if I have used 1 and 2, I cannot use 1 and 2 again because repetition not allowed. So you have only 3 options here. So this can be filled in 3 ways. So total number of ways by the multiplication principle, it is 5 into 4 into 3, that is 60. 60 numbers can be formed. How many 3-digit numbers can be formed? So there are 60 numbers can be formed. Second question, how many 3-digit even numbers can be formed? How many 3-digit even numbers? So there is one more condition here. It's a 3-digit number and also it is an even number. So 2 conditions are given. It is a 3-digit number. We have to form a 3-digit number and it should be an even number. So, and third condition is digits can be repeated. So units, tens, hundreds. So in this case, you have to start from the units place. The reason is it should be an even number. Which are the even numbers here? You can use only 2, 4 and 6. I can use only these numbers 2, 4 and 6. That means how many ways can I fill this place? 3 ways. This can be filled in 3 ways because it is an even number. I can use only these 3 digits 2, 4 and 6. So 2, 4 and 6. There's only 3 ways. Now repetition is allowed. That means after if I fill 2, I can use 2 again. So how many possibilities are there now? How many numbers are given? 6 numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4. I can use 5 also. I can use 6. Similarly for 4 also. So there are 6 ways. So tens place can be filled in 6 ways. Hundreds place can also be filled in 6 ways. Repetition is allowed. So 6 ways. So total number of ways will be 6 into 6 into 3, 108. So we can form 108 even numbers. How many 4-letter code can be formed using the first 10 letters of the English alphabet? No letter can be repeated. We cannot repeat. The condition is you cannot repeat the letters, the first 10 letters of the English alphabet. So repetition not allowed. That the condition you should read. So we can use from the first place or from the last place. So 4-letter code, first place if I am filling, I can use any one of these 10 letters. So how many ways of using the first place? 10 ways. What happened to the next place? Can I use the letter again? Letter cannot be repeated. So how many ways of filling the second place? Because if I used A, I cannot use A again. Okay. So third place, how many ways? 8 ways. 7. 90 into 56 codes. Number 4. How many 5-digit telephone numbers can be constructed using the digits 0 to 9 if each number starts with 67, no digit appears more than once. So we have to form a 5-digit telephone number. So there are conditions given. You can use the digits 0 to 9. You can use, there are 10 digits here. Okay, we can use these digits. Then second condition is the number should start with 67. And third condition, you cannot repeat. Repetition not allowed. So these are the 3 conditions given. So we have to start from this side, from the first side, because they are given the condition the number should start with 6 and 7. So here you have to write 6 and here it should be 7. So how many ways can you fill the first place? Only I can use 6. Only one way. Second place, only one way. Repetition not allowed. No digit appear more than once. That means I cannot use 6 and 7. So out of 10 digits, I cannot use 6, 7. So remaining how many digits are there? 8. I cannot use 6 and 7 because repetition not allowed. So from here, the number will be branched to 8. So I can use 1, I can use 2, 3, I can use 4, 5, I cannot use 6, I cannot use 7, 8 and 9, 0 also I can use. So there are 8 ways. So this place can be filled in 8 ways. Now I cannot use these 3 numbers now because repetition not allowed. So this will be 7 and this will be 6. So totally how many ways? 56 into 6. 336 telephone numbers.
Question number 5. A coin is tossed 3 times. The outcomes are recorded. How many possible outcomes are there? So first time when you toss, you get either head or tail. Second time also you will get head or tail. Third time also head or tail. So you get 2 into 2 into 2. That is equal to 8. So there are 8 possible outcomes when you toss 3 coins. Question number 6.
5 flags of different colors. How many different signals can be generated? So there are some 5 colors. How many different signals can be generated if we use 2 different colors? So this place I can use one of these colors. So there are 5 ways. What about the second place? I cannot use the same color because they ask you to use 2 flags. I cannot use the same color again. How many choices will be here? This will be 4. First place can be filled in 5 colors, that is one of these 5. Second place 4, so total number will be 20.